Today we're going to make a very simple password generator. For this, all we're going to need is to import string, which lets us get every single letter and special character in the English keyboard. And then we'll import random, because we want it to be a random password. So let's make a function and let's call it create. And outside of the function, we're going to take in a list of all the possible letters we're going to use. So we'll say list of letters, and it's going to equal a list. Now inside of this, we're going to take in all of our string letters. So say string dot digits. So these are all the numbers, plus string dot ASCII letters. So these are all the letters that we're ever going to use. And then string dot punctuation. So these are all the special characters, such as hashtag, percentage, all that stuff. Now inside of create, we're going to take this list of letters and we're going to randomly decide between them. So first, let's just print off what does list of letters look like. If I press F5 to run it, we will see that it's 0, 1, blah, 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 all the letters, all of them uppercase or lowercase. We've got our special characters at the very back here. Basically anything we'd ever want to use in a password. Now in create, let's just take in the length. And maybe by default it can equal 10 or maybe 15, since that's a generally good amount for a strong password. And now for I in range length. So we're just going to repeat for every time that there is a letter here, so we'll just repeat 15 times. And we will say print random, because we're using random here to make sure that we can get a random letter, dot choice, and we're going to pass in our list of letters. So it's just going to choose a random choice between this huge list of letters we have here. And then we just need to make sure to call create. And now if we press F5, it'll have this huge list of letters at the top, and it'll have a bunch of randomly chosen stuff from here. Now, in order to make this into one straightforward password, all we have to do is we create our password here, and it'll just equal a blank string. And then we'll say password plus equals this random choice. And I'll get rid of this print statement. And then we're just going to return the password. And now, if we print create, return password, of course, and now F5, and it prints off our password here. If we go to Google to a password checker, and we try out our password here, this password right here, Control C, Control V, it'd take a computer 86 trillion years to crack the password here. So I'm pretty sure it's safe to say we've got a pretty good password generator with just 16 lines of code. Thanks for watching.